Today we're gonna talk about again track balls, but this time we're gonna talk about the ball sizes. I know I already talked on the other video about the track ball and the balls that I'm using on my builds. This ball is it's a 45 millimeters. That's the standard ball that Floppy Adept sends you with the Floppy trackball. You can choose colors. They have different colors, but these are plastic. It looks like it's a polycarbonate ball, and I guess that works fine with a small trackball. Next is this. I bought this off from Amazon. This is a 52 millimeters trackball ball. This is also looks like also polycarbonate ball. They were fine with the trap balls. I don't see any difference. They're nice and they're shiny and they're beautiful, but they're small. I think most of the commercial trap balls they have these 52 balls, and this is also a polycarbonate. I believe it's polycarbonate of or acrylic plastic. This is a 55 millimeters. This is also very common on the commercial trap balls. And then the next size is this phenolic resin ball. This is a pool ball. The balls that you find on your pool table. This is 57 millimeters, and this is a cue ball. There's numbers, and this is the cue ball. The next size is this carom ball. This is a tournament carom ball. They're expensive. This is also made of these two are made of phenolic resin material. These are made in Belgium, in Europe. I think a set of these tournament balls, carom balls, they go from, I've seen them go on from 150 to 250, even $300 for a set of three balls. I bought these carom balls from eBay, and then that's it for the mostly for the commercial balls that you can find on Amazon. This is a phenolic resin ball. This is 76 millimeters diameter. It's a 3 inches diameter ball. It's a big ball. These are not commercial balls. These are specialty balls. This ball is made of the same material as those professional table balls, carom and pool balls. This is the most common also on the arcade games, arcade machines. They have these many of the machines from the 80s, and even now some of the newer arcade machines, they carry this ball, the 3-inch, but they're made of plastic now. They try to cut costs because these balls are not cheap. These balls are expensive. And this is same material, phenolic resin. This is even heavier than that one. This is 82 millimeters. Is big ball. I'm working right now on this one. This is the next size. This is a 3.5 phenolic resin ball. This ball feels very nice on your fingers when you're moving the ball on the housing, on especially on BTUs, because they're heavy. You can handle the ball better with these rollers, these BTUs. This can carry around I believe 30 or 50 kilograms, and this is not that heavy. Let's weigh it to see how much this one weighs. That 3.5 inches phenolic resin ball weighs 1 pound and 6 ounces. It's a heavy ball. That's why you can feel when you're moving the ball in the housing, it feels really good, heavy, and you can control the ball better. And then the final project that I have in mind in the future, when I have free time, is gonna be this. This is a monster ball. This is a heavy ball. It's a huge ball. This is 4.5 inches. This is the same ball that you find on Missile Command, Atari's Missile Command arcade machines from the 80s. And as you can see, this is the housing. It won't fit on the housing. I gotta make a special housing for this big ball. I need to design the housing around this base. But this moves beautiful. It moves very nice on BTUs. I'm gonna use BTUs instead of open ball bearings because of the weight. I think it's easier in your hands and your fingers. Be moving this ball on BTUs rather than these open bearings. There's nothing wrong with these open bearings; they work nice. But because of the weight of this big heavy ball, it's gonna take some time to get used to. And this is also a work in progress. That thing it performs beautiful. Once you get used to it, becomes a second nature to your fingers and your hand. You don't even look at the thing no more. And your muscle memory in your fingers, it's very easy to use. It takes some time to adapt to this unit, but it's worth it. Took me about 3 to 4 weeks to adapt to this thing. At the beginning, I wanted to quit because it's really difficult at the beginning. Maybe some people Maybe younger people get used to this device faster. But to me, it took me about a month to adapt my hand to this device. At the beginning, I even got frustrated. I wanted to quit using that thing because I couldn't control the cursor on the screen. It was really difficult to control the cursor on the screen and stop and look for the menus and the icons and the submenus. It was kind of hard at the beginning, but once I got the hang of it, it just becomes second nature. Your fingers, your fingers and your hand, they do all the job without even looking at the device. Well, thank you for watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like. More videos on these devices are coming. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.